Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a brand called Heloideo. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this is the 15,000 milliamp hour power bank. And there's several things that are unique about this. Power bank that I'm going to go over. So you get the unit itself. You get this nice little holder to protect it in your purse or in your bag. You get a greetings card and a little instruction manual. Now this is very simple to operate. The first thing I'm going to go over is going to show you how this thing looks. Very high-tech looking, as you can see. I got this nice jet blue color. There's a power switch right there. There's a USB output port there and a micro USB charging input port. And on the side of it, top, you just lift this open and you have your micro USB port right there. Now there's different versions of this. You can get some for Apple systems and just look at which one you would like to purchase. This is really sleek looking. It looks like it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. And on the back, what makes this really unique is there is a US plug. You just flip that over. There's a little slot right there. And if you look at the profile right there, so you got a US based plug. And that's what's unique about this, is that this doesn't just require a separate supply where you can charge it with the micro USB port. It has a built-in AC port right there. And that's really unique. Also, the fact that it has 15,000 milliamp hours is very unique. Let's take a look at the weight of this. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to turn the scale on right here. And it's showing it as being 12.67 ounces. So it has some weight to it, but it's very solidly built. Now just in comparison, I've got another unit, another power bank, GoMax, and this unit, you have to charge it with a micro port. You have to provide power to it. So you need another power adapter. So that's one of the drawbacks of these types of units compared to this one. Let's go over how to use this. It's very simple. There is a power button right there. If you hit it quickly once, you see the 4 LEDs come on. They show you the status. So every one of those is 25% of the power. So you can see that it shows that it's fully charged right there. Now I'm going to connect this by flipping the back open, and I'm going to connect it to a US AC power, which is really unique. And you can see the LEDs now are blinking. And when it's fully charged, they will stop blinking and all 4 will be lit, letting you know that it's fully charged. You could also charge this by plugging it in with a micro USB cable right there to your computer or a 5-volt adapter. It's up to you, but I really like the fact that it has the AC included. Really nice. Now, some of the specs on here is that it'll work from 100 to 240 volts on the input. Each one of these ports, the port here is 2.4 amp hours, and the port here is 2.4 amp hours. You could simultaneously use both these ports. I'm going to demonstrate that. And what's really neat is that you could have the AC plugged in and use both of these ports at the same time to charge 2 different devices. Or you don't have to plug it in at all because your batteries are charged. So the capacity is 15,000 milliamp hours, like I mentioned, and that is really quite amazing. And the 2 ports are 2.4 amps at 5 volts each. So let's give an example of this. I'm going to take a cell phone. Right here I've got a Nexus 6, and my Nexus 6 is probably 50% according to the charge right there. Now let's take this here and let's open this up. And if you don't turn it on and you plug it to your cell phone or your other device, let's do that first. You see the LEDs come on automatically. If they don't come on automatically to charge, just hit the power button quickly and it will bring it up to charge. Now let's take a look at this. if you look, it's hard to see, but my charging indicator right there is blinking. It has a little icon of a lightning bolt right there. So it's showing you that it's charging, which is great. Now at the same time, I could take a USB cable and plug it into the bottom of it right here, as I'm doing right now, and I could charge other devices. So I have this LED light, and you see I plug it in and it charges. And that'll work with any type of light. Here's another LED light, and there it goes, charging it away, blinking, as you can see right there. So this thing will simultaneously charge two devices, as I've demonstrated. So right now it's charging this LED flashlight, and it's charging my cell phone. And as I mentioned, it's really cool that you could flip this AC out and plug this into the wall, and now it's charging the device and these two devices, my cell phone Nexus 6 and this LED light right here. So I think that is really great. I really like this product. It's really stylish looking, very smooth, very high tech, will fit nicely in any kind of a hole of your purse or your satchel. It's just really nicely done. And I did test it to charge my Nexus 6 just as if I plugged it into the wall and rapid charging, so it worked really well. So this is a great product, it's a great value. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.